In today's tutorial, I will show you how to link anything on your website to an anchor on your Wix website. So first off, you should decide which element you would like to link to your anchor. Please be aware that not all elements are available to link. For example, the shop is not available, the gallery is also not available, but elements like the buttons or the images are items you can connect to your anchor. So let's say that I would like to connect the join us button. This is the join us button. You can change the text to anchor link. Obviously that's not something you should have on your website, but it's just for the example. And now the next thing we're going to do is to go over to the page on which we would like to see or add the anchor. So for me it's going to be the plans and pricing. Then you want to click on add and go over to menu and anchor, because right here are the anchors and the anchor menus. Now in this tutorial I won't go into the anchor menus. However, to add an anchor, just simply click on anchor and drag it on your website. For me the default placement is perfectly fine because I just want to redirect people to the choose your pricing plan. Now you can double click on your anchor or click on the rename button and give it a custom name. For me it's going to be pricing. And now I will go back over to my home page. And now what we're going to do is to link the button, which I will say pricing, to the anchor we just created. It's actually really simple. You just want to go over to the link button right here, and as long as any element on your Wix website has this button available, you will be able to link it to your anchor. So simply click on link, and now instead of clicking on none or page or web address, you want to go over to anchor and then select the page on which your anchor should be. In this case it's on the plans and pricing, and now the anchor on the page we would like to redirect to is also pricing. Click on done now, and now what you want to do is to save your website, and you'll then see that when I go over to my preview, when I click on pricing, I will be sent over to my plans and pricing. There are no plans available, but that's another story. And the anchor works. If there's anything you need my help with, please feel free to ask me in the comments down below.